Io, and today we'll be talking about how did Eratosthenes measure the Earth. First, who was Eratosthenes? Well, he was born in 276 BC, Syrian, I think. He died in 194 BC, Alexandria, Kemet, which is another word for Egypt. He's the person that the whites give credit for finding the measurement of the Earth. What did he need to measure the Earth? Well, he needed the sun, a rod, math. He needed to know when the sun was directly overhead in Cian, the latitude of Cian, the latitude of the Tropic of Cancer. How did he do it? Well, Eratosthenes calculated the circumference of the Earth without leaving Kemet, also known as Egypt. He knew that at local noon on the summer solstice in Cian, modern Aswan, Egypt, the sun was directly overhead. Cian is at latitude 2405 degrees north, near to the Tropic of Cancer, which was 2342 degrees north in 100 BC. He knew this because the shadow of someone looking down a deep well at the time in Cian blocked the reflection of the sun on the water. He then measured the sun's angle of evolution at noon in Alexandria by using a vertical rod, known as a gnomon, and measuring the length of its shadow on the ground. Using the length of the rod and the length of the shadow as the legs of a triangle, he calculated the angle of the sun's rays. This turned out to be about 5 degrees or 1/50th of the circumference of a circle. Taking the Earth as a sphere basically, and knowing both the distance and direction of Cian, he calculated that the Earth's circumference was 50 times that distance. Now, there are lots of people who did this before Eratosthenes, and those people were the Kemites. How do we know this? Well, first of all, the Kemites were the people in Kemet. And Eratosthenes actually came to Kemet for them to teach him. He went to school there. And basically all whites got all they know about astronomy now back then from the Kemites. And fun fact, if you didn't know, the Kemites stopped the building of the Great Pyramid at the 50th concourse so they could study the star Sirius. And my resources for this information is Wikipedia. And that's it. Thanks for watching.